Hello, we're going to go ahead and discuss Say Yes to the Uniform. Today we're going to go ahead and discuss the findings, the benefits of branding, safety in uniform, street clothes versus uniform. The armed forces, schools, and the penal system have worn uniforms for decades. They've integrated themselves into the civilian world in every aspect of work. I'm here to discuss the benefits of wearing a uniform. The date of the first uniform worn can't be dated. Although there is no specific date who wore the first uniform, but uniforms have been worn for centuries. They have been worn in schools, again, uniting the students to the school. They've been worn by prisoners to identify a person as a prisoner. And they have changed the universal outfit and aid companies in branding their business, identifying the worker, and keeping the worker safe from injury. Let's look at branding. Branding is where a worker is wearing a shirt with the name of the company or has a logo on it, which, Run to the Border by Taco Bell, Where's the Beef by Wendy's, Burger King, Have It Your Own Way. Millions of teenagers run about town advertising for their company freely. These teenagers don't even know that they're doing this. But a customer sees that t-shirt and they think, wow, I would like to have a burger or a taco, or yeah, I would like to have a burger with more beef. Here's a shirt by KFC asking who was here first. The woman is asking the chicken. But when you think about it, you think about their crispy chicken, their fluffy mashed potatoes. So it is great advertisement for KFC, excuse me. Now we're going to go ahead and discuss the safety of uniforms. Safety is the number one thing that we look at when we are in the workforce. We want to make sure the worker is safe. Some of those jobs require a uniform that is going to protect them, like a flame retardant outfit for a fireman. Or we're going to make sure that they wear a uniform, like as in for food or healthcare, so that it reduces cross-contamination. Also, there's uniforms for people who are working with electricity, and their uniform is going to be static free, so those components that they're touching don't spark a fire. Now here we see a picture of children in uniforms, but they are identifiable. You can obviously see that the young man wearing the orange shirt with the hard hat on there, he's in construction, whereas the second boy standing next to him is in a police officer uniform. All of these children in these uniforms are all identifiable. Now we're going to go ahead and discuss uniting the worker. When employees all wear the same outfit, they all have a common sense of and a connection to their fellow worker. They feel that they belong, they're identifiable. It gives the employees the feel that they belong to the company. And through the identifying the worker, the business is identified. Street clothes versus uniforms. For years, people have been wearing their street clothes to work. On casual Fridays, they wore, a dress down shirt, a pair of khakis. But now, as we're getting into the age of no casual Fridays, wearing jeans, it just seems inappropriate, because those jeans are no longer just regular jeans. They're torn jeans. Everybody's got a hole in them. So it's just really in bad taste. But, now that, uniforms have been integrated into pretty much all of the workforce, there's no guesswork for the employee when he wakes up in the morning. He just goes ahead and puts on his uniform. He doesn't have to say, oh, gee, what shirt am I going to wear? What pants am I going to wear? You have a uniform shirt and you have a uniform pants. So it just makes it very easy for the person getting up in the morning. They won't be late. They'll get that uniform on and they'll be off to work. The conclusion of my speech: uniforms have been around for centuries. Our armed forces, our school children, and our prisoners have been using them for decades. It just seems natural for workers and employees to put on that uniform. It gives them a professional look. You can identify them to the company, and it gives them a sense of belonging. I just want to say thank you very much for listening to me today, and you have a wonderful day. Thank you.